First step in flushing the water heater, turn off the power right here, and then turn off the water. And then, third step, connect the hose to the bottom of the tank.
Bonus if you can do it with a toddler attached to you.
And then you open a valve right here with a flathead screwdriver. It runs out to the backyard, and you'll see sediment coming out. Oh, cool.
Oh, yuck.
You see all the sediment coming out?
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to open up a hot water faucet upstairs somewhere to help depressurize the tank and to help drain the tank faster. So if you have sediment that came out of the hose, you're going to wait until everything's drained. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to turn this back on so that cold water flows through the tank and helps to rinse out any remaining sediment. After that's done, you just close this valve with your screwdriver and let the tank refill. Wait until the tank has been completely refilled before you turn the power back on. That's it.